What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be unboxing the Traxxas Fiesta ST Rally car. This RC definitely got some cool features, which we're going to be noting on the back side of the box here. Kind of go over that a little bit before we get this bad boy unboxed. Some of the features that are worth noting on this RC is the aluminum center drive shaft. It's got a high torque steering servo, a sealed steel gear differential, and dual bell crank steering. This truck is also equipped with the VXL 3S speed control and brushless motor. It also has max duty drive shafts, steel wheel hexes, caster blocks, steering blocks, and oversized sealed ball bearings. They also claim this rally car is capable of 60 plus miles per hour. We'll definitely be doing some speed tests with this car in the future. As with most Traxxas cars, I'm sure it's a different gear ratio option that you have to put in to achieve those 60 plus miles per hour. But we're interested in what the speed is right out of the box, so that'd be a future video, so definitely stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Flip it over there, turn it this way. We'll go ahead and cut the tape. See if we got this right side up or upside down. Let's go ahead and see. Did we? Well, right side up. All right. Pull it out of the box here. Side. Oh, it's definitely connected to that box somehow. Check that out. This looks like it's the controller. Yeah, that was the controller, and it's the standard Traxxas TQI. Nothing special there, so we're going to put this to the side and see how we get this thing out of here. Okay, it's definitely got something. Alright, and of course it got some little goodie pack. And there is, I see an extra pinion, which I'm assuming is going to be a higher gear ratio to get those 60 plus miles an hour. You got some Allen wrenches, a wheel wrench, and some spacers for the shocks. Then we got to cut those zip ties there. There we go. Out. Nice. We got this one in the green and black, but it actually looks really nice. I'm liking that. Whoa! Almost dropped it there. We'll pull the plastic off. It also has the clipless body mounting system. We'll go ahead and check that out in a minute. We'll go ahead and give you guys a closer view of the chassis and all the electronics. I definitely like the blue shock mounting towers there. That's definitely a nice touch. Now the chassis is very similar to the Slash. Looks like they're using the Slash platform, which there's nothing wrong with that because that's definitely been known to be a fairly sturdy and stout platform. Now I know one of the first things I'll be doing to this rally car is pretty much the same thing that I did with my Slash 4x4. I'm going to be getting a kit to bring this up higher so you can fit those bigger 3S packs. We can also see in there, I'll kind of turn the wheel. Those drive shafts actually look fairly big for the size of this car, especially for the size of the tires. Give you a little better look. It seems like my camera's having a hard time focusing there. I wonder if I go overhead for you guys. They definitely look pretty stout. We'll be upgrading them to steel shafts though. It's just a bummer breaking those plastic dry shafts when you're planning on going out having fun and they break right at the beginning, usually. Seems like anyway. You see the steering blocks in there and spindles. Well, I call them spindles, but I think the correct term is bearing carriers. Definitely look to be reinforced a little thicker on something such as the Slash. Go ahead and turn those for you. The tires feel really good. Kind of give you guys a little 360 view here. Oh yeah, you can really see the drive shaft back there. That's definitely beefy. It looks like they put some washers in there to reinforce so it doesn't break as easily, I should say. It's definitely a nice little car. Alright, we'll definitely give you guys one more look at this car here. I definitely like the detail. Very nice. Can't wait to get out and test this thing out for sure. It's got the Ford logo there, which I'm a Ford guy, so I definitely like that. If you guys are interested in this rally car, I'll go ahead and put that link down in the description below. But alright you guys, I hope you liked the video. Definitely stay tuned because we'll be taking this car out and testing it really soon. I hope you guys liked the video. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you guys are updated every time we drop a new video. Until next time, thank you.